What?
Show Mama.
You want to show Mama?
Is Ima.
Is that yours?
Is Ima. Is Ima. Is Ima.
Yeah, that one's yours. Your red paper.
Is Ima. Is Ima.
No, she's not mad. She's in the kitchen eating supper.
My juice. My juice.
Yeah, your juice. Is that good juice? Hey Ryan, what kind of juice is that? Is it apple juice? Where's Mama's picture?
Gigi.
Yeah, that's the kitty. Where's Mama's picture?
Whoa, Gigi. Big Gigi.
Yeah, big kitty. And that's a little kitty. Yeah.
Two big Gigis.
Two big kitties. Where's Mama? Show me Mama's picture.
Mommy Gigi. Mommy big Gigi.
Mommy's not a big kitty. Is that Mama? Where's Mama? Oh yeah, that's Mama. And there's Pumpkin. Can you say Pumpkin?
Gigi.
Yeah, kitty.
Mamos. Show Mama.
Let's wait till Mama finishes eating, okay? I love you. Are you my sweet baby? Sure is good juice, huh?
Show Mama. Show Mama.
Yeah, you can show Mama in just a few minutes. When she comes and gets you. You want to show her this piece of red paper?
Mama.
No, that's not Mama. That's Chris. That's Chris and Bonaparte. Where's Dr. Cindy's picture? Ryan, where's Dr. Cindy's? Huh? Where's Ryan's picture?
Gigi.
That's not a kitty, that's a doggy. That's a puppy.
Gigi.
No, puppy. Oof, that's right.
Doggy.
Doggy, yeah. Big doggy.
Cock. Cock.
Dog, uh-huh. Oof, oof.
Doggy.
Doggy.
Mama cheese. Mama burp.
Yeah, Mama burped.
Mama cheese. Mama cheese. Mama cheese.
No, Mama didn't cut the cheese.
Show Mama.
Yeah.
Show Mama.
Yeah, you can show Mama. What are you doing? You're cuter than a bug in a rug.
Big pepper.
Big paper?
Big pepper. Big pepper. Big pepper.
Big paper? Where's your big paper? You took it in the other room. You want to get up on the bed?